They have China eating their lunch with nameless, and of course we're not as big and ductless as the other countries are. Like every other country is all ductless. That's it.
Yeah.
So
There's
of
a lot of
course,
ductless.
that means that you have countries like China and Japan, Taiwan, everything like that, that have all different brands and even nameless brands and one-off brands that are coming in and they can undercut because they can make them ridiculously cheap and they don't have to worry about a Mitsubishi brand or a Daikin brand or a Lennox brand or anything like that. And so it's really hard because there's no such thing as brand loyalty necessarily unless the manufacturer or the distributor, in some cases if they even do a distribution model, are working their tail off to earn that brand loyalty.